This is an inquiry cube, and I use this in my classes to help my students build the skill of problem solving. Basically, what the students have to do is they have to figure out what the bottom side of this cube is by looking at all the other sides. Now, I know what you're thinking, you can just turn it around, but if you look, one side is blank. So what the students have to do is they have to look at the different sides here and look at the different numbers and letters and try to find patterns throughout their observations. Once they figure out what the pattern is, they have to guess what this bottom side would be if they could see it. I think this cube does a really good job of showing the process of science of making observations, testing a hypothesis, and finding patterns in data. It also helps the students gain the skill of communicating their thoughts and their observations in a meaningful way. At the end of this activity, I have the students come together and talk about what they found throughout their observations. And then I show them what the bottom of their cube should be. I also have different versions of these. You might be familiar with this one, but I can also use other versions that I found online by just searching for inquiry cubes. I've even seen lessons where the students make their own inquiry cubes by making different patterns of the letters and numbers. I use this lesson at the beginning of the year because it engages the students in that process and nature of science.